Hey, it's Shelby, and here's how you can use energy and telekinesis in Premiere Pro to lift a car just like I did. To start, you're going to need a stock video of a car. I found one that was rotating from Adobe stock, and you're going to use Color Key to get rid of that background. Now keyframe position and rotation to make the car look like it's hovering off the ground. Apply Lumetri color to make the car match the background a bit better. Add an adjustment layer, increase your shadows all the way, and add an ellipse mask and put it under the car for a shadow. Now add an energy overlay asset, set the blend mode to screen, and keyframe position to follow your hand. Adjust Lumetri color to give it the tint that you like, then create a new adjustment layer over that and add turbulent displace. Add a mask and keyframe it to follow your hand, and then follow that same concept for everywhere else you have energy. I keyframed a mask behind me to reveal the energy and the Premiere Pro logo, added some dirt and debris overlays, some sound effects, and essentially became a superhero thanks to Adobe.